The Croix de Guerre 1939–1945 is a French military decoration, a version of the Croix de Guerre created on September 26, 1939, to honor people who fought with the Allies against the Axis forces at any time during World War II. Award statute. Due to the large extent of the war zone, recipients included various groups: those who fought during the Battle of France, those who fought with the French forces of the interior, those who fought with the Free French forces, those who fought on the Western Front, those who fought in the Middle East theater, those who fought in the Mediterranean theater, those who fought in the African campaigns. On every Croix de Guerre, there is at least one ribbon device, either in the shape of a palm or of a star, and fashioned from either bronze, silver or gilded silver. The relative importance of the 6 possible combinations is detailed below. The total number of devices on their Croix de Guerre is not limited. Award description. Medal. The medal was designed by the sculptor Paul Albert Bartholomé. It is 37 mm in size and is in the shape of a Maltese cross with 2 swords crisscrossed through the center. In the center of the front is the profile of the French Republic crested by a Phrygian cap. Around this portrait are the words République Française. On the reverse of the medal are the dates of the conflict: 1939, 1940, 1939 to 1945, or simply 1940. Ribbon. Red background crossed with 4 green lines in its center. Award grades. Mentioned in dispatches. The lowest degree is represented by a Bronze Star, while the highest degree is represented by a Bronze Palm. A Bronze Star for those who had been mentioned at the regiment or brigade level. A Silver Star for those who had been mentioned at the division level. A Silver Gilt Star for those who had been mentioned at the corps level. A Bronze Palm for those who had been mentioned at the army level. A Silver Palm represents 5 bronze ones. A Silver Gilt Palm for those who had been mentioned at the Free French forces level. The clasps are awarded for gallantry to any member of the French military or its allies and are, depending on the degree, roughly the equivalent for U.S. Bronze Star and Silver Star, a UK Military Cross and Military Medal.